All right, we're coming to the end of the day. It's about 2 minutes before the market closes. I'm pretty convinced that this is the picture. So we're looking at the 60-minute right here on the left-hand side of the screen. And for the S&P, I'm pretty comfortable with that momentum. Actually, this kind of looks neutral, the momentum, and we're still moving up. So on the 60-minute, I'd have to argue that, well, I wouldn't say it's a divergence. No, I'd say we're putting in a higher high. I guess we can look for a higher low and see if it breaks and it just continues on that upward march. But at the moment, I'm going to have to say I'm neutral on the 60. But the price action is obviously very bullish. And on the daily, I just have to say that's pretty bullish price action right there, and it's just moving up. We had a really good day today trading and made a few bucks on this move. But again, for tomorrow, we should look for a continuation of the bullish move. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. And Bitcoin on the 60-minute. I mean, you still have to argue that that's a bearish momentum on the 60-minute. Gap down today. But I see no entry right there. On the daily, the momentum is still bearish in my view. So we're just going to have to watch and wait. If you're looking for an entry, you're still waiting for it to break this pivot high right here. And I would hold my support at around 3,100. Purple. Meme stock. Nothing really going on. I see no entry right there. I mean, it's just neutral and consolidating. 60-minute momentum looks like it's bearish, bullish. I'm sorry. If you were looking for an entry, you would take that 1639. Actually tested it 3 times, so that's a good resistance right there. So if you're looking to go long this position, that's where you would do it. That's TRLY. I thought we clicked on purple, but yeah, we already looked at purple, right? And we were just bored with it. The VIX is just consolidating. I mean, it's quite simple. The VIX will push down as the market pushes up, so there's really not a whole bunch to talk about, but it's in the consolidation pattern. The Russell, which this is IWM, this is the Russell ETF, so it would be the same on the Russell. On the daily, just in consolidation, really. You know, I see no swing trade there. I would set up resistance right here, and oh, look at that, man, tests it beautifully too. Breaking that, you could see an aggressive move up. You could probably put make a pennant out of this, and that's how you would play this on a swing. Wait for a break of either side of that channel, and away she goes. And the momentum is not giving us anything. It's just really just neutral. So everything's just neutral. As far as the 60 goes, it's neutral. There's just no trade. There's nothing set up here. Yeah, that's about it on that. The Qs for my friends. So we're testing this high. I would hold the high right here. It looks like a good test. I would hold that as my resistance and look for a break tomorrow. Momentum is obviously bullish on the daily, and the 60 is telling me the same thing, although the momentum is rather neutral on the 60-minute. But you could look for that break higher. Tomorrow we have some earnings that are good market movers. And last but not least, For the ape community, I just have to say the momentum is neutral. It's just going to consolidate around here. There's really no entry for me. I'm neither encouraged or frightened. It's just going to consolidate right there. I really don't expect much more out of it at that point. The daily just keeps pushing down. I mean, it's negative, but let's see what happens when it does the zero touch, if it bounces off of that and turns around. But I don't see any buy-in in it. We've retraced that really nice engulfing bar with these two inside bars. Even if it breaks to the upside, you get a lot of resistance in here that it's going to have to work through. Really, I wouldn't get involved with the trade again long until it broke that 65 area. I might reconsider it if it closes this gap, look for an entry down there. But right now it's not doing anything. I can do better things with the money. So basically that's it. That's the wrap. If you like what I do, hit the subscribe and hit the bell so you know when I'm coming up. And hit the like because it goes a long way for me. If you want to support the channel, there's a PayPal link in the description. And if supporting it monetarily is a burden, you could always tweet my handle, and that's in this description. That goes a long way. Or share the channel, help me get some subscribers. If there's something you want to hear or something you want me to do, just visit me tomorrow between 9 and 12. You could check out some of my trades and see what I do and how I'm teaching the free folk to make a living. And you could talk to me a little bit, tell me what you want to see out of the channel, and what I could do to help you. So it's 4:05. What you see in the market right now is what we get. It was a good day, made a lot of money today. I hope you all did. Visit me tomorrow at 9 o'clock and I'll show you what I'm doing. Happy trading.